Good evening, friends. I'm Professor Shivayogi Patil, Training and Placement Officer from Global College of Commerce, IT and Management. And welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss power questions. Power questions you should ask yourself. Of course, it is aimed at the students community. Power questions you need to ask yourself. There are three power questions. So, which starts with what, why, and how. What, why, and how. These I call it as power questions. Even experts call it as power questions. So, what you are doing now, why you are doing now, and how you are going to do it now. So, since you have entered the college, you have taken admission to Global College, whichever stream it may be commerce, maybe IT, maybe management. You need to ask whenever you enter the college, you need to ask three questions: what you are doing, why you are doing, and how you are going to do it. See, it is very simple. What you are doing, what is your purpose of taking admission to Global College? To study, to get knowledge of either commerce or IT or management. So this is the answer of what you are doing. It is very simple. But the most important question is why you are doing that and how you are doing that. So why you are taken admission to either commerce or IT or management stream. So because you might be having some dream, you might be having some goal, you might be having some thing to achieve in life. So that's why you are taken admission to Global College for any particular stream. So if you don't have dream, if you don't have goal, if you don't know where you want to go, if you don't know what you want to achieve in life, then there will be a problem. Therefore, ask yourself what you are doing now in this particular student stage in the when you are taken admission to the college, what you are doing now, why you are doing. So the answer is very simple. You wanted to realize, if you don't have dreams, if you wanted to realize your parents' dream, because your parents have sacrificed many things for you, so they have struggled to bring you up to this level. They have undergone a lot of financial constraints and all. So they have struggled, they have sacrificed. So you should be grateful to your father and mother or your family. So gratefulness is one of the highest virtue of human being. If you are not grateful, you are not going to achieve anything in life. So my dear friends, be grateful to your father and mother who have brought you up to this stage and have admission to Global College. Now, my dear friends, the question is how you are going to uh, realize their dream if you don't have any dream. If you have any dream, so that is okay again. So if you don't have any dream or goal, then your father's dream, your mother's dream should be your goal. So what might be their goal? It will be very simple. What every parents want their son or daughter to settle in life and lead a comfortable life. That is the general aim of every parent, every middle class parent, every poor parent. Okay, the high class parent, the parents belong to high class society, might be having some much higher goals, but normally middle class and poor class families will have only this much of. So their son or daughter should live better than them and should live a comfortable life in future. So their future should be secure, safe, comfortable than them. So that will be the most basic dream of every father and mother. So you need to make it as your why. Why you are doing it? To realize your father and mother's dream. Now, how you are going to do it? That is the most important thing. So, how you are going to do it? That requires planning, because you have to plan your future. Otherwise, so you are going to fail in future. So, planning to fail. It is like failing to plan is nothing but planning to fail. So there is a proverb in English. So therefore, if you fail to plan now, then it will be like you are planning to fail in the future. So it applies to every graduate, even so business people. So plan should be there. How you are going to achieve it. So I have made many videos how you have to uh, you can achieve your goals, how you can manage the time, so how you can prioritize the things, how you can be persistent with your effort, how you can overcome your comfort zone. So there are a lot of things which are involved in this planning. So you need to have a concrete plan, then only you can take action, because taking action without planning is very, very difficult. So therefore, my dear friends, the purpose of this video is ask yourself these three questions. So uh, what you are doing at now at your academic career when you are taken the admission to global college? So that is definitely the answer will be you are into an academic journey to fulfill the dream of your father and mother, or your dream. Maybe your dream. You might have some goal or dream. So dream is just a wish. When it is accompanied by a plan, then it becomes the goal. It becomes the goal. Otherwise, if there is no plan, so the goal will be just dream. So your goal will be dream. So this is the first question. Second question, why you are doing this? Again, the same answer. So you wanted to realize your dreams or your father or mother's dream. Then how you are going to achieve? How you are going to achieve it is the biggest thing again. So you have to make concrete plans, action plan, timetables to study. So all those things you need to make so that you can follow that action plan. There should be short-term goals, there should be long-term goals. So there should be semester goals, there should be year goals, there could be complete academic goal. Then only you are going to reach that level where you can aspire for a good job, or a respected job, or a what you call highly paid job. So I'm making this video as a training and placement officer. So in future, in few coming days, when your college starts, I am going to teach you the soft skills required for uh, ready to make you ready in the job market, to make you ready in the toughest job market. So you can be assured that if you follow my principles, if you follow my assignments, if you follow my classes, if you engage in active listening in my soft skill classes, definitely you will be able to achieve your goal. So joining a corporate company, a big company, an MNC company with highly respected job and highly paid jobs. Of course, if you want to go to business also, whatever tips I'm going to give, those will be useful. If you wanted to become a self entrepreneur also, and entrepreneur also, then these tips will be useful. So as soon as the college starts, maybe it will start on October 11th. So I will be engaging classes to you. So soft skills classes to you. So my dear friends, my only request is don't miss the classes. Engage in active listening in the classes. So of course, this class will not be like other classes. It will be totally interactive classes involving you totally, so that it will be both entertaining with a lot of stories interspersed in it. So it will be entertaining as well as informative. But the only thing is, whatever assignment I give you, whatever the task I give you, because communication skills needs practical tasks. So the presentation skill needs practical tasks you need to perform. So the public speaking skills needs, so team building skills, so leadership skills, all these skills need practical activities also. Those will be involved in the my soft skill training. So you need to actively participate. You need to listen actively, and you need to be what you call totally committed to yourself to learn all the soft skills, because whatever grade you achieve in your classrooms, it will take only up to the interview of the corporate companies, that to the gate of the corporate company, you can say. How you are going to enter into corporate company by clearing the hurdles of the corporate interviews, corporate tests, corporate recruitment procedure. It depends upon these soft skills, which I'm going to teach you in the future classes. As well as I am also going to teach you, once you enter the corporate, how you can grab the attention of other people and you be successful, get promoted, and achieve higher and higher position also, because there will be a lot of discussion on the corporate culture, how you can be a team player, how you can manage your time, how you can manage your stress, how you can manage your emotions to become a leader in corporate, and how you can scale up your career in the corporate. So the purpose of today's video is to give you a clarity, because a clarity is very, very important. You need to have clarity about what you are doing right now, and you need to have clarity about why you are doing this particular course, and you need to have clarity about how you are going to achieve your goals. So all those things I am going to explain. I will make action plan for you. I will help you to set the goals. So prepare an action plan. But the only thing, you have to follow the action plan. That is the only thing you need to do. If you did it dedicatedly, committedly, I will assure you a definite job at the end of your academic journey. Maybe 3 years or 4 years, depending upon. I don't know whether the NEP policy has been implemented this year only. If it is implemented, it will be 4 years. Become will be 4 years. So definitely, and it is also my responsibility to bring you the placement drives as far as possible. I will try my best to bring placement drives to the college, as well as send you to other placement drives also, so that you will be placed in a good company with a good salary and good respect also. But for that thing, you need to be committed to attend the soft skill classes. You need to. My commitment is to train you into a top job candidate who can crack any toughest recruitment process from any company. So, my dear friends, with this information, I'm concluding this particular video. So, please attend my software classes regularly and take that knowledge, practice it, be confident, because my software classes, if you attend them regularly, you will make you confident. So they will make you winner, because I am going to use the techniques. I know NLP techniques. So to make you confident, to make you stress-free, to make you emotionally intelligent and all. So thank you for listening this video. I am going to conclude this video. So once again, I wish you all the best in your future. So hoping to see you in the class.